Hey, buddy. I just thought you looked really cute. Just want to get a video of you. I know. What's wrong? What's wrong, sweetie? Oh, what? Did you run out of oranges? All right. You ran out of oranges? No, you like the hamburger helper? Does that make you happy? Make you happy, buddy? Alright. You've got it all over you, pal. Look at those cute little sandals. Alright, buddy. You want me to stop filming you now? Alright. I'm gonna go. Alright. What do you want, the green bean? Alright, sweetie. I'm gonna go then. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You won't do anything for the camera, will you? No.